Let's dive into the calibration process for your MCT-1200 meter paired with your CMS-0300 sensor. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Align your hydrophone. Start by aligning your hydrophone with your CMS-300. This ensures that the measurements inside your tank match precisely with those recorded by the CMS-300 outside the tank. Record data with the MCT-2000. Record 10 seconds of data using the Onda MCT-2000 acoustic cavitation meter. These values will be used to calibrate your MCT-1200. Calibrate your MCT-1200. Press the menu icon at the right corner of the meter to navigate to the settings screen. Next, press the parameters button to enter the pressure values from the MCT-2000. Now, enter the three pressure values P0, PS, and PT as the reference values into the MCT-1200. We now want to generate a scale factor to match the calculated reference value. In this example, the value is 40. Press record to now generate the scale factor. Press the back icon at the bottom to apply the scale factor. Tap the back icon once again and you will see the MCT-1200 will now match the MCT-2000. By following these steps, you'll ensure accurate and reliable calibration for your meters. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out.